Hey people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. Today's video features a clean with me. So let's get started with the video. I began by cleaning my kitchen. In my house, usually we take turns cleaning the kitchen. So while washing the dishes, I was listening to 90s R&B music. If you listen to music, what type of music do you, or genre of music do you usually typically like to listen to? As you can see, I am using Meyer's degreaser cleanser to clean off the stove here. So I thought it was time to take down all of our winter coats and replace them with some of our spring coats. Next, I began by cleaning up my living room. And of course, I had to use my multi-purpose e-cloth. I usually love using this because I can dust and clean everything, my type of product. Last, it was time to clean my main bathroom. So I ended up using this glass and surface cleanser that I had on hand. This was a purchase from the Dollar Tree. So out of all the rooms in the house, my least favorite to clean is the bathroom. I would rather clean the kitchen. Tell me in the comments below, what is your least favorite to clean or your favorite room to clean in the house? Now this is one of my favorite cleaning products. Why, you ask? Because it requires nothing but spraying and mopping. Now this makes me happy. If you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. While you're at it, comment and share and like this video. And thanks so much for watching and joining me today. I hope you have been inspired to do a little cleaning around your house. I know with the quarantine, that's probably all that everyone is doing, but hey, it's got to be done, right? Be sure to join me in next week's video, see what I got for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.